Hey everybody, Gary McGowan here, and I'm going to show you how to create a quick open house landing sign-in page that we could use at our open houses. And I'm logged into Command, so this is my let's just do this. This is my home screen here, and just to get everyone up to speed, we are going to scroll down on the left-hand side and click Consumer. And on the far right here, we're going to click Create a New Page, and I want to choose Landing Page. Hit Create Page. And here we have a blank template of what we can create. So I'm going to choose a branded header, and I'm just going to click and drag and put that right onto the blank page here. There we have it. And then I'm going to add a lead form, and this will create the lead the information. As people visit this website, they can enter the information. And I also might as well, we have the opportunity, I want to add the actual listing, so we can do that. So we have two things that we need to fill out there, and secondly, or thirdly, fourthly, wherever we're at, I'm going to add the legal footer to the bottom. So this is just some of the legal information that we need, and of course some of the information about our brokerage and how to contact us. So we need to configure a couple of these. So we are going to choose the lead form, and in the bottom right hand corner I can click Configure Widget. So these are considered widgets, and all I need to do here actually is just type in what I want the header to be. So where it says interested, let's talk, I'm going to choose the open house sign-in sheet. So open, if I can spell correctly, open house sign in, and that's as simple as that. And if I click save and apply, it makes that. Now we could add the address of the house in there if you wanted. So if I just flip over to the broker bay, we'll use one of the pair offs listings, 24 Brambro, and I can just copy that, go back to our open house widget, and I can simply add that address to you. So you might want to do that so it's a little more clear what people are signing into. And I want to add actually the listing to this page as well. So I'm going to go back to our widgets, and I'm going to click on the listing, and I'm going to browse listings over here, and I'm actually going to search for that property. So there's different ways to search. You can search by the property address or the MLS number, and I believe if I put the property address in here, it should pop up. There it is, and we just simply hit select, and the site will update itself with that listing that we chose. And all I need to do is choose a photo that we want to use for the main image. So I'm going to choose the first one there, and hit save and apply. And then the website's being updated, and there we have it. So that's what the website would look like if you are on a desktop and cycling through all the photos, which is pretty cool. The map, it shows us where the location is. And if I look here on the left hand side of the of my laptop, I want to click mobile, and that's what it'll look like when somebody is using their phone, because quite frankly, if they're signing in at the front door, they're going to be using their phone. So this is what it's going to look like. And I like having the lead form right at the very top, because then it's very clear of what they're doing and why they're signing in. And then as they scroll down, they can see some of the other information there. Now, the last thing that we should do, or two last things, is I want to name this landing page. So open house, and we have to publish the page. So that's on the top right, hit publish, and yes, I want to update it. Perfect. So now we have an updated landing page. So now your question is, we need the link to that landing page, and it brings us back to here. We want to choose landing pages, and it should be at the very top, and that's the link for the landing page. So if I click that, it'll take me right to that landing page, and this is the information that's that we just created. That's how easy it is to create a landing page. So I want to copy this URL, and that's a long URL to advertise at the front door or in the lineup and on the driveway. And we can do a couple of things. We can post that if you wanted to. We can actually, what I would suggest is creating a QR code, and we can do that at qrstuff.com right here. and we don't need to pay for this service. You can just use it for free. If you did want to pay for it, there are options in here. This is totally unrelated to KW, but it's a good way to use a QR code. So all we need to do is go to this website and enter in that URL, and it automatically updates that QR code, and we can download that QR code, and it just did that into my computer right here, and we can go ahead and print that or add it to our flyer, and then people just simply scan that with the camera on their phone, and it'll take them directly to this page right here, but on their phone. And that's it. That's really, really easy, really, really simple. If you didn't want to do that yourself, you can certainly leverage Scott Leroy Marketing, and you can reach out to them. They can create a landing page for you. As the leads come in, you'll see the number here go up, and it'll go right into your contact database, and you'll know where that lead came from, which is really, really cool. So that's it. Really simple. Hope you have an awesome open houses. We're so excited to see the creativity from our agents as they launch open houses again, and all the best to you. Bye for now.